Oh, what an exciting day. It's an old concept infused with a new feature, a new take, a new idea. This is the very first gaming headset, computer, PC gaming headset I've ever seen in my life that has air conditioning in the ear cups. Was this a Willy Do situation? No, it was me. I can take full credit for this. When I heard about this, I was like, I need to try that. It can get hot in there, especially if it's the summer or you live in a hot climate or something. It's the Omen brand by HP that actually makes these 7.1 virtual surround sound, breathable, moisture wicking fabric ear cup. They claim is the world's first active ear cup cooling technology. So I was assuming this was the first ever. You see in this graphic here, Jack, look at that. That's gonna be us. Ice cold ears. Perfect for Jack, assuming this will fit over top of whatever he's got going on. Look at that. Ooh. You got the road rage. Keep them in the car, you know? Cool off a little bit. I get hot. You don't wanna see me when I'm hot. That's a comfy situation there. I love the spring-loaded headband as well. Now, the microphone over here flips down. Got a little light on it. If you're a guy like Kirk, you would try to wear this on the bus, on the airplane, on the subway, train, in the car. This is how Kirk drives to work. Ooh, a nice textured volume wheel there, which has some weight to it. Lift it up, you're muted, bring it down, have a chat. There we go. Now, of course, you know I had to bring out the enormous 21X, probably the biggest, craziest gaming laptop known to mankind. One of the few gaming laptops. I mean, is it a laptop? Let's be honest here, you maniacs. We had to bring this out to test out what might be the coolest. How's this for a typing experience though, hey? From the last video, we're talking about the iPad Pro keyboard. Man, tell me you don't mean what you're saying. That's at the end of your email? I'm voting for you. Will, come here for a sec. Sitting over there, demanding. Oh, Lou, I'm gonna be in your video today. Lou, I'm in your video now. He likes the keyboard on the MacBook. That's a tough one to defend. Some people hate it.
Listen, for the mechanical switches, I love green and blues. There's a very satisfying click to it. Kind of the same thing for the MacBook with the butterfly keys. And that's the reason why I like it, I think.
How much did Apple pay you to say that?
Quite a lot, actually.
Why is Tim Cook's phone number in your phone contacts?
Why are you looking at my phone?
It's part of the job.
All right.
All right, you want to try these headphones out?
Sure.
You don't sound excited at all.
These things are pretty affordable, eh? They're like $200.
Is that easy money for you there, Willie Do? Huh? When you get those Apple dollars, huh? When Tim Cook hits you with that after the keyboard comment?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're in. Are you feeling cooling yet?
No.
Nothing. Jack, give him a shot. Let the people see the red lighting. I will switch that to blue, for example. Boom. Blue. Love it. We got a color shift going on for Jack. A nice little light show there on the cooling tab. It says that it's high right now. You don't feel it?
No, I don't feel anything right now. Tell me if you feel anything.
Oh, there's cooling. Dude.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. Dude. You're nuts.
No, I can't feel it.
Even if it's like a subtle amount of cooling, it's gonna have an impact.
Right.
It's cold. It's working right now. Squeeze it like that.
Yeah. If it's closer to the ears.
It's a fridge in there, man. You feel it radiating from the metallic component, but no turbine effect of like having a fan. It's getting colder right now as I wear it.
Okay.
I love this feeling right now. It's not overwhelming. It's honestly just like as if I had an open back headphone. Kirk. Ooh. Yeah, it's gotten colder the longer it's been plugged in. We should probably listen to it right now as well. Digital 7.1 surround test. That's a good time. You want to give it a go?
Sure.
It's a great time in there. Haley's in another world right now. He left this planet. The man's gone.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a good time in there.
Yeah. I think.
Uh-oh, here we go.
No, I think it's actually more immersive with the cooling.
More immersive with the cooling.
Yeah, I mean, like if you're gaming and you have like a hot head, it's just like it doesn't work. Like,
Yeah.
you're frustrated. You know.
He just gets a text message right now. It's like, Will, insert the AirPod comment right now. It's like, Will, are they monitoring? What's going on here? I think if you're a serious gamer, you spend a lot of time inside of a headset. Wow, it's comfortable to be in there. If you're in Guadalajara,
Yeah.
there's no fan. It's not interfering with the audio at all. I think this is a hit right here, and I think some people are gonna like it.
Not over the top.
You said
it's
they're
nice.
around $200.
Yep.
Can they get them on Amazon? What can they do?
On Amazon.
Look
Yeah.
at that. Willie do, ladies and gentlemen. Bringing you the coolest new gadgets. Even though I brought you this one, he
You
didn't.
did, yeah.
No wonder it's pretty good.